Back on the Immigration Hour with the NPZ Law Group, simplifying immigration for you. I'm Vijaya talking to the NPZ power team of lawyers. Well, I wanted to ask all of you, the road to immigration can be long and arduous, and you want to have the best advocate rooting for you and helping you through. So how do you really choose an immigration lawyer, really? David, let's start with you.
Well, thanks, Vijaya. And I would say that our listeners should probably judge the attorney the same way that they judge a diamond: color, clarity, cut, and carat. So, not that any of us are a diamond, but by color, what I mean is that a lawyer can approach a case either in a positive manner or in a negative manner. So they should always look at the color of the case. For clarity, look at the explanation. Is it a clear explanation that the lawyer is giving? For cut, does the lawyer offer options, or are they specifically cutting everything out and just giving you one particular way to go? For carat, is the cost reasonable? So these are the ways. Also, I think another C is communication, and that is, does the lawyer properly communicate?
Mm-hmm. Wow, couldn't have put it better. And you are a diamond among lawyers, I must say.
Thank you so much.
Over to Lutka.
Thank you. I would say unrealistic promises. When you hear the attorney saying that I absolutely guarantee your case is easy and there's 100% you're going to get approval, probably run away from that type of attorney, because there are absolutely no guarantees. The attorney can guarantee that they'll do a great job, but at the end of the day, decision is made by government. So there should not be any guarantees. Mm-hmm. So I think that's an important point.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What about you, Snehal?
Yeah, I think David and Luca covered the major ones, but I'd like to say, talk to colleagues, family members for references, because it's really important. If you know somebody that's had a great experience with an immigration attorney, then definitely consult with them. I'm not saying you need to go with that attorney, but at least have a consultation, explore them, because there's a reason why your friend, your colleague, your relative is referring this individual, even if the case, let's say, ultimately was denied, but if the attorney was kept up the communications, worked hard, explained everything to you, then that would be my tip.
Mm-hmm. And Gagan?
I would chime in by saying that, of course, when you are going to an immigration lawyer, you want to make sure that that information that you provided is something that the government is asking, and you're fulfilling those requirements, going into nitty-gritties and all those little things that we would miss out otherwise when filling up the applications. And filling up the forms is not something that you're paying the lawyer for. It's more than that, and it may seem as simple but very tedious. And of course, any small error can lead to misrepresentations for Canadian applications.
Very well put, and of course that makes a lot of sense, and a lot of well thought out advice right there. So folks, if you are at a crossroads stuck in the US and Canadian immigration law maze, you need worry no more. NPZ Law Group is at hand to handhold you and help you navigate your way through it all. And of course, their staff speaks your language, whether that's Tamil, Hindi, Punjabi, Gujarati, Nepalese. So get the help you need today. Visit visaserve.com or just call them at 201-670-0006. More very relevant and key pointers on immigration law with the NPZ Law Group attorneys coming up in just a bit. You stay with us on Mirchi. It's hot.